So the feature I added to my or to the app is a distance calculator where the user can enter a floating point number here, and if they press this filter by button, it'll show only places zero point 0.2 miles from the union. And if they hit reset, then all the places are shown again. Originally, my plan was to show all the places from the user's current location based on what number they entered here. However, I ran into a lot of problems doing this. Specifically, the user location, their current location would always be null. Um, and I definitely want to look into this and achieve my original project vision. But for the purposes of time and the deadline, I amended my project to just show the places in relation to the union as a central point. Um, but yeah, I'll definitely look into that later. These are the online resources I used. So I used a linear layout to have these two buttons side by side. This is the documentation for that. Um, then I used this location um, from Google Play Services built into Android to get the user's current location. However, this feature was not really working for me, but I'll definitely look more into this documentation and maybe other tutorials to get that feature to work later. And finally, I used this built-in Android function to find the distance between two coordinate points. So um, I have this here, distance between. So I have the latitude and longitude of the union, and then I have the latitude and longitude of each place in the all places array. Um, and I'm comparing those two distances to add places to my filtered place, which are these places. A challenge I faced was uh, the map view was initially not showing. Um, and after some troubleshooting and searching online, I found out that the reason for that was because the height of this linear layout here was set to match parent, which meant that it took up the whole screen. But after I changed it to wrap content, um, I put that here. I changed this to wrap content, and then it only takes up this much, however long it should be, and then the map view fit. So I overcame this challenge by just searching up the problem online and exploring these attributes here and just playing around with that. And then it was a relatively quick fix, but I definitely learned more about how Android works. Um, Now finally, I'm gonna push my changes to GitHub and just confirm that. So MP3 final submission, commit and push. And yeah, that's my project. Thank you for watching.